Hello, I am going to unbox something that I received in the mail from Stampin' Up! Only the other day. I haven't had a chance to open the box yet. It's always a very exciting box that comes with Stampin' Up! Logo on it, and it's not an order, it's actually our swag box for our Onstage online Onstage at Home, they're calling it this time, because we are joining demonstrators from all over the world for our annual Onstage event, which will be online again this year. And it's also the 15th anniversary of Stampin' Up! In Australia, and so we have got some extra goodies coming our way. Plus, if we are a Silver Elite or above, we will get some, Silver Elite and above gift. Normally we would have a special dinner and we'd be able to receive our gifts in person, but they are sending them in our swag boxes, I've been told. So I'm going to open mine. Now, if you are a demonstrator and you are still waiting for your swag box, stop watching this video right now if you don't want any spoilers. You won't get any spoilers if you stop watching now. I'm not going to be posting pictures of this until after the event, but this video, I just thought I'd do an unboxing because it's always fun to see what comes in the big brown box when it arrives. So I'm just opening the sides, and I actually really love these boxes, the brown boxes. I keep these ones because they've got the Stampin' Up! Logo printed on them. And I think they come from the US. We don't actually have Stampin' Up! Printed on our boxes. Oh, how gorgeous is this? Right, so this is a box. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh, I'm thinking that might be some new designer series paper. Maybe. So there's a big box, which is quite heavy. And there is also a center stage ribbon inside here. How gorgeous is this? Even though we won't have a center stage event this year, we wanted to send you a gift to congratulate you for achieving a title of Silver Elite or above. We hope you enjoy these fun and functional storage tools in your stamp area to use for business or craft supplies. Congratulations. I love this, what looks like to be designer series paper. Let me see what's in the bottom here. Oh, wow, how cool is this? So there's some packaging. Love all this packaging. I will recycle that, but let's have a look inside this plastic bag. This looks like to be some beautiful binders. Oh, and they almost feel like they're fabric. They've got like a real soft texture about them. Very nice. And we've got a large binder holder, so that's like a magazine rack with some beautiful stitching. Really does feel like fabric, but I don't think it is. But that stitching is cotton stitching. That's definitely real. It's not printed, and it's got the Stampin' Up! Logo there. And yeah, it looks like a really nice purple colour. I'm not even sure if we've got this colour. It reminds me of the old Wisteria Wonder, which disappeared. Or Vintage Violet. It's a little bit like Vintage Violet. Bringing back some memories of older colours. So maybe this is a new colour, I'm thinking, which is possibly coming in our new, annual catalogue. Anyway, it just doesn't look like a colour we've got. But how cute is that? It's like a little pen holder. And this is also a smaller rack for catalogues or magazines, or even paper. I could store my paper in here. So love that. Beautiful. So that's my center stage gift. Now to open the swag box, which is just sitting over here. It's wrapped in plastic as well. So we've got Onstage at Home on the top, and I am going to just plastic. I'm going to rip it off. So pretty, this box. I've kept all my Onstage at Home boxes because they've just been great for really handy for storage. Okay, are you ready? Just going to open it up. Onstage at Home. So how gorgeous is that? I'll just show you what's on the inside there. There's a printed logo, and this is a little message from Sarah. I hope you are as excited for Onstage. It's tomorrow. It starts tomorrow for us, as I am. We can't wait for you to discover all we have in store for you, starting with your swag box. First, remember to keep your notebook and pencils on hand during Onstage at Home to jot down all the cool ideas you want to try in your business. You'll need your custom grid paper for the stamp and share part of the event. Oh wow, there's so much in here. Look, and there's a stamp set called In the Moment. Love it. It's a nice red rubber stamp, cling mount stamp set. There's a notepad, so that's what we're supposed to keep handy. Oh, we've got some badges, some flair, as they like to call it. So we can trade them or keep them. I've been keeping my badges. I haven't really traded them. Love getting some badges. Oh, and look at these cute pencils. How adorable is that? Maybe that's also some designer series paper, I'm not sure. We created 6 versions of, okay, so they've got 6 versions of these. So if you are a demonstrator, you may have received some different badges to me. After learning some simple booking tips, you might need the tote bag to carry your supplies to all of the Stampin' Up! Events you've lined up. Lastly, just like the name of your new stamp set, we hope you stay in the moment during it Onstage at Home and soak it all in as you discover new products, business ideas, and your own incredible potential. Fantastic. And look how cute this little bag is. Oh my goodness. Little tote bag. It's like Hessian, and it's got the Stampin' Up! Logo there, and oh, it's lined with plastic, so that will be nice and handy. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. It almost feels like real leather, these straps, you know. They almost look like real leather. I think they might be, you never know. And there is, yeah, some trim on the outside of the bag. Really cute. There's an extra little pocket in there. Oh, and on the other side there is a bumblebee. How gorgeous is that? Oh, I love it. Thank you, Stampin' Up! And on the very bottom, underneath all of those goodies, is some new grid paper, which I might be featuring in my videos, my upcoming videos. I always like to feature some of the new grid paper. And that looks like it's got inches on one side and centimetres on the other, which is super handy. Love that. So all wrapped up in this gorgeous box. Really love everything, how beautifully it coordinates. And I'm looking forward to seeing our January to June mini catalogue. Super excited to see that. New products and yeah, maybe even some new colours. I don't know. They might be introducing some new colours before we get the new annual catalogue. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. But thanks so much for sharing my excitement. I'm glad I could open that for the first time in front of you guys. And I'll look forward to chatting with you again soon. Thanks. Bye.